pilots, this is Pete with BananaHobby.com. Thank you for joining me for this flight review of the F-22 Raptor. This F-22 is made by Blitz RC Works in conjunction with LX Models. Beautiful aircraft, guys. F-22 Raptor, one of my all-time favorite EDF jets, or jets in general as well. She spans out, her wingspan is 33.5 inches. The length comes out at 48.5 inches. She will fly on a supplied 4S 4-cell 14.8 volt 20C discharge lithium polymer pack. The built-in speed control on this is a 50 amp. I'll show you guys real quick. The 50 amp is right here, mounted right underneath for optimum cooling here. And you have your battery hatch bay right here, which mounts right in there. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous F-22 Raptor here. This package is available as a ready-to-fly package, and it now comes on 2.4 gigahertz if you opt to get it with the transmitter and receiver as well. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous paint scheme on here. You can see the attention to the detail in this F-22 where all the paddle lines and everything are cut into it. The two-tone, three-tone finish in the camouflage is just classic of the F-22 Raptor. Beautiful pilot city in there. Just a wonderful size, guys. Pretty hefty as well. Extremely light in this F-22 Raptor. The wing surface area on this thing is incredible. It's just, you've got just a whole lot of wing surface area. So in essence, it's a big floater. Wonderful, wonderful flight characteristics. This does fly on your 4-channel system where you are using ailerons, elevators, your throttle, and your steerable nose wheel. And if you guys opt to go ahead and use your own radio systems, you can opt for Elevon mixing as well, so you can really slow this thing down for some really good high alpha action there. Just a beautiful model, guys. This is pretty much ready to fly. Like I said, it comes on your ready to fly package, which will include your 2.4 gigahertz transmitter and receiver, or you can opt for the plug and play, where you can use your own transmitter and receiver. We carry this at BananaHobby.com. This just got here. One of the hottest sellers right now, and we're here again in the sunny California sky for you guys. Got some goofy winds again, but we're going to go ahead and test this F-22 Raptor for you. Once again, classic F-22 Raptor. Let's stop the talking. Oh, I forgot to mention, real quick, this is the perfect aircraft for you guys if you guys choose to hand launch and belly land in the grass. The reason being, main gears pop right off, pulls right out. You got your nose wheel, which you can disengage from inside the canopy, pulls right out. Big flat surface here. All your control surfaces is protected from any kind of a belly scrape landing. So it's very, very friendly towards that. 2 screws here, and you got your hatch, your engine bay coming out here. We've used your EDF band down there for very easy access to maintenance. Forgot to mention that the brushless Outrunner is a 2850 kV. Alright guys, here's somebody else going up right there. So we're going to wait real quick and then get you guys the flight review of the F-22 Raptor made by LX Models and Blitz RC Works. Come check it out at BananaHobby.com. Got lots of new stuff coming. We'll see you guys in the air. much softer than that. This is your F-22 Raptor flight review, made by LX Models and Blitz RC Works, available at bananahobby.com. Pushing around with a little bit of wind here today again. Flies on your 70mm EDF unit. What a wonderful performing aircraft, guys. The performance is wicked sick. Verticals are great. Vertical stability and your inverted flight stability is just unbelievably awesome. Tons of flying surface on there. Anybody entry level into EDF jets with some basic 4-channel experience can handle one of these things. My goodness, that landing, silky smooth and soft, guys. This is available at bananahobby.com. My name is Pete. Thank you guys once again for checking out this flight review and for all your support. Before I wrap this up, this is pretty much a quick build kit. You just got some light gluing on the main wings and everything, and you're ready to go. Ready to fly package, guys. Everything was flown to you completely stock. Before I take off here, I want to say hi to my young pilot out in Edwards Air Force Base, California. Her name is Evelyn. Keep up the great flying, and we'll see you guys on another day with another flight review. This is One Excited Pete with the F-22 Raptor. Come check it out at bananahobby.com.